Unlock the magic of AI with just a few clicks. In this video, watch as we transform an ordinary photo into a stunning masterpiece using cutting-edge AI tools. See the original photo slide by slide with the AI-edited version. The incredible difference. It only took 2 minutes to achieve this amazing result. Discover how you can harness the power of AI to elevate your content. AI tools are here to start your journey with us today. Tell AI do heavy lifting for you. Think if you learn AI tools, you will not hire graphic design. Anymore, you look at different AI tools? What are waiting for? Join AI game. AI is here now. I've not tool for the future. If you like this content, share, follow, comment, and follow.